morning. Flexbone 2Easy. It's a totally uncoupled decoupling system. So this one doesn't bond to the floor. You've got things like anhydrite screeds, bitumen overlays, green chipboard, way rock, rented properties, sand and cement screeds. Because it's not bonded, it deals with a lot of the problem substrates. Okay, the way it works, you've got air channels and everything else here. It's perforated to allow the vapour pressure. Yep. Simple installation. As long as the floor's flat with no deflection, so SR1 plus or minus 3 mil over a 2 metre straight edge. Simply sweep the floor, roll it out, and ready to tile. Okay. Like that. It's designed so it doesn't roll up on itself. So you get obviously a little bit of a curl up there, but not drastic, and that's all ready to go. Okay. You can see there's an overlap on there, 50 mil overlap. Okay. So what happens is you roll the next roll out, butt them up together, like that, butt them up together, put the overlap across, and then when you use the flat of the trowel over the mesh, what you effectively do is create one solid cement board across the whole area. Alright. If you go end to end, or if there's expansion joints, day joints, things like this, you leave a gap 8 to 10 mil wide, good quality masking tape to keep the adhesive out from the mat, and that allows the mat to still move over the expansion joint. Other than that, nice and straightforward. I'd say suitable for anhydrite screeds, bitumen floors, all of your problem substrates. In most cases, as long as it's flat without deflection, this one